have already explained in previous video. We have to do dot product and projection based type questions here. So what is the first question of 10.3? Find the angle between the vectors a and b with magnitude root 3 and 2. So what is given? Mod a equal to root 3, mod b equal to 2, and a dot b equal to root 6. Everything is given, and we have to find angle cos theta. What is the formula? Angle between a and b, a dot b upon mod a mod b. A dot b is root 6, this is root 3 into 2. So we can cancel out. Here we can say root 2. Now root 2 upon 2 is 1 upon root 2. In cos table, 1 upon root 2 is cos pi by 4. So angle between a and b is pi by 4. This is the answer of first question. Now in second question, in first question everything was ready made. In second question, find the angle between vector a and b. So what is given here? Given vector a is I minus 2j plus 3k, and vector b is 3i minus 2j plus k. What are the requirement? Requirement is find the angle between a and b. So we have to find dot product. How will you find dot product? A dot b, I minus 2j plus 3k dot 3i minus 2j plus k. Here we will multiply I with I because I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1. You cannot multiply I with j because I dot j will be 0. Now I का I से multiply कीजिए, j का j से और k का k से, and don't write I dot I because I dot I is 1. I के coefficient का I के coefficient से multiply कीजिए. So here 1 and 3, it is 3. Minus 2 into minus 2, it is plus 4. 3 into 1, it is 3. So this is what? 4 plus 6, 10. A dot b. And what is mod a? Mod a is 1 square minus 2 square and 3 square. So this is what? 1 plus 4 plus 9. It is root 14. What is mod b? It is 3 square minus 2 square and 1 square. So this is what? 9 plus 4 plus 1, this is root 14. So mod a is 14, mod b is root 14, and we have to find cos theta. It is a dot b upon mod a mod b. So a dot b is what? 10. Mod a is root 14, mod b is also root 14. So we are getting 10 upon 14, this is 5 upon 7. 5 upon 7, when we will divide 7 by 5, result will be less than 1, means absolutely correct. Cos theta equals to 5 by 7. Cos की maximum value plus 1, minimum value minus 1 होती है, एंगल उसके बीच आना चाहिए. So theta equal to cos inverse 5 by 7. We can say this is the answer of question number 2. Now we do the question number 3. Find the projection of vector A, I minus j, on the vector B. Already we have done projection of A on B is A dot unit vector B or A dot B upon mod B. So here what is given? First vector we assume as A, I minus j. And what is second vector B? It is I plus j. So we have to find A dot B, I minus j dot I plus j. We have to multiply I with I, j with j. Okay, coefficient of I is 1, 1, so it is 1. Minus 1 plus 1, it is minus 1. So A dot B is 0. And what is mod B? Mod B is root over 1 square plus 1 square root 2. Now we'll substitute value in 1, putting in 1. So projection of A on B, projection of A on B is, what is 0 upon root 2, that is 0. Okay, it means angle will be either 90 degree or 270 degree, pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2. That's why projection is 0. Question number 4th is find the projection of vector this on this. So let vector A is first vector is vector A. It is I plus 3j plus 7k, and second vector is, assume it's B, 7i minus j plus 8k. So we have to find projection of A on B, means A dot B upon mod B. So A dot B is what? I plus 3j plus 7k dot 7i minus j plus 8k. So I coefficient is 1, here 7, so 7. J coefficient is 3, minus 1, so minus 3. K coefficient 7, 8, 7 plus 7 8 ja 56. So 56 plus 4 minus 3, 7 minus 3 is plus 4, this will be 60. And we have to find projection of A on B, means mod B is required. Mod B, it is 7 square minus 1 square and 8 square. So this is what? 49 plus 1 plus 64. 49, 50, 50, and this is 114. So projection of A on B is A dot B upon mod B. So A dot B is 60 upon root 114. This is the answer. Good morning. Already we are doing question number 6. Number 6 we are doing. Find mod A mod B if A plus B dot A minus B equal to 8 square. What is given here? Here given A plus B dot A minus B equal to 8. You cannot write here A square minus B square. Remember that is algebra property. Here vector property is A dot A is mod A square. This is very important property. A dot A is mod A square. Remember that. So here you cannot write A square minus B square. No, not at all. So A dot A minus B, then plus B dot A minus B equal to 8. Now multiply inside. This is A dot A minus A dot B plus B dot A minus B dot B equal to 8. Because dot product is commutative. Because A dot B equal to B dot A, already I have explained in property. Dot product is commutative, so we can cancel it. A dot A is mod A square. I have already explained here. And B dot B is mod B square equal to 8. And what is given? Mod A is equal to 8 times mod B. It is given from 1. So we can write this is 8 times mod B square minus mod B square equal to 8. So this is 64 mod B square minus mod B square equal to 8. So this is 63 mod B square equal to 8. Then mod B square equal to 8 upon 63. So we can write mod B, value of mod B will be 8 upon 63, its whole square root. And we have to find mod A, mod B. Mod B we have got. Since mod A is 8 times mod B, so we'll write 8 times root over 8 upon 63. This is the value of mod A. Okay. So this topic is simple, and question number 10 we are doing. This is very important question. It has come so many times in board examination. If vector is 2i plus 2j plus 3k, vector B is minus I plus 2j plus k, and vector C is 3i plus j, are such that A plus lambda B is perpendicular to C. Find the value of lambda. I told you properties of dot product. When two vectors are perpendicular, their dot product will be 0. Here A is not perpendicular to B, or B is not perpendicular to C. A plus lambda B is perpendicular to C. This is very important question. That's why I've written star. Given A plus lambda B is perpendicular to C, then their dot product A plus lambda B dot C should be 0. Equation 1. So first of all, I am finding A plus lambda B, then dot C, then I'll substitute value here. So what is A plus lambda B? A is 2i plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda times b is minus I plus 2j plus k. So this is what, if we take I common from here, 2 minus lambda, because we are getting 2I minus lambda I common. Similarly, if I take j common, 2 plus 2 lambda, because this is 2j plus 2 lambda j. And if we take k common, so we get 3 plus lambda, 3k and lambda k common, 3 plus lambda, a plus lambda b. Now we'll find a plus lambda b dot c. So a plus lambda b is 2 minus lambda I, 2 plus 2 lambda j, 3 plus lambda k dot, what is c? C is 3I plus j. Okay, I am putting value in 1, a plus lambda b dot c, and this is, we have to take 0, because a plus lambda b dot c is 0, and here if we multiply I with I, this will become 2 minus lambda into 3, so 3 times 2 minus lambda. J with j, you can assume that this is 0k, 3I plus j plus 0k, j with j, so 2 plus 2 lambda into 1, and what is 3 plus lambda into 0, because here k is not given. So this is what, 6 minus 3 lambda, 2 plus 2 lambda, and this is 0. So 2 lambda minus 3 lambda, it is minus lambda. If we bring minus lambda this side, lambda, and this is 6 plus 2, 8. So lambda equals to 8. This is very important and very good question. If the vertices ABC of triangle are 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 0 respectively, find angle ABC. Triangle. This is triangle ABC. You have to find angle ABC, means this angle. So remember that B से आप एरो लगाएंगे. If you want to find angle A, इस तरफ एरो लगाइए. If you want to find angle C, ऐसे एरो लगाइए. B, you have to find B angle, means B से एरो दोनों तरफ जाना चाहिए रे. BA, BC. So for angle ABC, we'll find angle B. So generally, what is the formula of cos theta? Cos theta is A dot B upon mod A mod B. And here we'll write cos angle ABC equal to, it is angle between B and BC, so BA dot BC upon mod BA mod BC. Okay, this is 1. We have to put value in 1. OA, OB, OC are given. Vertices are given. What is OA? It is I plus 2j plus 3k. 1, 2, 3 means I plus 2j plus k. And what is OB? It is minus I only, 0j, 0k. And what is OC? It is 0I plus j plus 2k. So j plus 2k. So first of all, find BA. What is BA? BA is OA minus OB. Now substitute value. OA is I plus 2j plus 3k minus OB is minus I. So when we'll open this bracket, I plus I, 2I plus 2j plus 3k. So BA we have got. Mod BA is also required. So mod BA is 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So this is what? 4 plus 4 plus 9. 8 plus 9 root 17. Okay. Now BC. BA dot BC. So BC is OC minus OB. What is OC? OC is J plus 2K. J. And what is OC? OC is J plus 2K. OB is minus I. So this is minus I will become plus I plus J plus 2K. So mod BC is what? Root over 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. It is root 6. Now substitute value in 1. Putting values in 1. Putting values in 1, so we'll get cos angle ABC equal to BA dot BC. BA is what? BA is 2i plus 2j plus 3k. Dot BC is what? I plus j plus 2k. And upon root 17 into root 6. So this will become, multiply I with I, 2, 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 2, 6, upon root 102. So 10 upon root 102, because square root of 10, it is more than a square root of 102